Robert, do you have the hiccups? Just a little bit? Robert, get him out, buddy. Robert, what are you doing? Hey, smile at me. You're gonna be brilliant. Do you know that? Change the world, aren't you, buddy? As soon as you get over the hiccups. There you go.